This tutorial review will show you how to create photo collage for Instagram posts or stories. So first of all, open your Insta application and tap on this plus icon at the bottom and select story. I'm gonna selecting here create and I'm gonna changing the background color here. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top, select upload, and now select a photo from your gallery, and I'm gonna changing the position of the photo here. Again tap on the sticker icon, again tap on upload and select another photo. Again tap on sticker and select a different photo. Sticker, another photo. Okay, as you can see, here's I created a photo collage. Now tap on this three dot at the top right, tap on save. Once you saved the collage to your gallery, post this story, and this is how we can add Instagram collage. And to post a collage post, again tap on this plus icon, select post and select the saved or downloaded collage, tap on next, and this is how we can create photo collage for Instagram posts or stories. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.